everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, partner, and partner along Bob Iacino. Nikola, we talked about last week, was still in bullish mode, but we had to get above the 68.11 area. We got the close above there on the 4-hour chart, so this is a really nice confirmed rotation back up. So that 68.11 area now is key support. So on any pullback intraday, you can watch that level. Let's just look at the 1-hour chart. So let's say you can even bump that up a bit to possibly 68.11 to 68 about 30. So if it comes back down, that's the key area you'll watch for support, and that could be if you missed an entry in that could be a great secondary entry, especially with the rising 1-hour rotation zone. So if it pauses, comes back again, retests the prior resistance area becoming support, then rotates back up, that is a fantastic entry for you to research. Here's the 4-hour. The 4-hour rotation zone, major support now coming in just below this 63 level. I'd just be focused on that 63 if it did pull back further, because that's the low end of the rotation zone and that significant level we've been watching for days now. Targets are still the same in place, so above 73.24, we have a cluster right around 75.31 to 75.76. I just split the difference and take about 75.50. It's my next target, then 78.27. If we get above there, you still have this unfilled gap. So that full gap fill would be to the close, 79.58. And these are levels you can always use to just move up stops, take partial profits. That's why we list them out, even if they're close together, because you might decide, all right, I'm moving a stop, taking some profits. That's up to you to decide with your trading plan and the time frame you trade in. We can't put out, videos all the time on 5-minute charts and, all right, we've hit a key level, they'll do this. That would just be absurd, and the longer term traders would go, I don't want to watch 5-minute videos on 5-minute bars. I just want the big levels. So that's why I call it all the different levels. Above that, we'd be watching for about 84.50, which is a prior Gann retracement level. Looking at the daily. So we're talking about, it was in bullish mode on the 4-hour and the daily. You can go back and see our videos from last week. And it's finally 8 caught up, and 8 started pushing the price higher, and it looks like it's now going to break out. At least it broke out of that 4-hour. Still has to get above this candle open, 71.53. Minor resistance there. I'd really focus on these upper levels. Major, if we were to pull back for some reason, some news came out, major resistance or major support area now at this swing low, 53.10 with the bottom of the rotation zone. So that's the major support area right now. That is your very key support level. Not overbought on the daily levels yet, so you got to just keep trading with the trend. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.